head. It's not on. Don't get me wrong, I love the ladies. They rev my engine. But they don't belong in the newsroom.
It is Anchorman, not Anchor Lady. And that is a scientific fact. I don't know what we're yelling about.
You're with us, Ron. What do you think?
It's terrible. She's beautiful eyes and her hair smells like cinnamon. Loud noises.
All right, everyone relax. She's not going to take anyone's airtime.
I read somewhere that their scent attracts the bears. Bears can smell the scent.
You hear that, Ed? Bears. Now you put the whole station in jeopardy.
I will say one thing, fool.
Mr. Harkin, I was just wondering when you knew my office would be ready.
Well, that might take some time. For now, why don't you just grab a desk in the bullpen?
You use my office, and then maybe afterwards we can go out for lunch.
Lower your voice, Ron.
Thank you, Mr. Harkin. I'll go and get my desk set up.